Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up securing a loan pre-approval with Rocket Mortgage step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rocket Mortgage website. On the homepage, locate and click on the Get Started button. Create an account using your email address and a secure password. Once registered, log into your account to access the loan application process. Select the type of loan you want, such as a conventional, FHA, or VA loan. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide your financial information, detailing your income, assets, and debts. Upload necessary documents, such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Review your application for accuracy before submitting. After submission, you may receive a quick decision regarding your pre-approval status. If approved, you will get an estimate of the loan amount you're eligible for. Make sure to understand the interest rates and terms being offered. Take note of any conditions that may be attached to your pre-approval. If needed, contact customer support for clarification on any aspects. Once you feel comfortable with the terms, move forward with the pre-approval. Remember to keep your financial situation stable during this process. You are now one step closer to securing your loan pre-approval with Rocket Mortgage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.